In this tutorial, we will show you how to finalize your workbook with a few clicks. In workbooks, it's common to use references to other data sheets or separate workbooks, depending on the complexity of the content. With Empower Sheets, you can easily check the functionality of these internal and external links with an open workbook. The system detects both valid and invalid references. When invalid references are detected, you can manually edit and correct them. To initiate the check, you can click the References button in the Finish group or use the same button in the Quick Access pane. The Quick Access pane opens an overview displaying all existing references categorized as internal and external. Within the overview, any invalid references are marked with an X symbol. By clicking on a listed reference, you can directly navigate to the data source in the workbook, with the linked data being selected accordingly. If you wish to focus on the invalid reference, you can filter the view in the Link Manager by using the toggle button to show only broken references. The check also takes into account links and formulas inserted on hidden data sheets, which are recognized and listed in the overview. Once you identify and correct any invalid links, you can refresh the reference overview to recheck all the links. To do this, you can click the Refresh or Refresh All buttons in the Finalize group, or click the refresh icon located to the left of the X symbol in the open overview. If needed, you can cancel the update process by clicking the Cancel Refresh button. Additionally, you can check the status of a reference by clicking the Refresh Status button. Now feel free to test these functions yourself and save valuable time. For more information about Empower Sheets, check out our other tutorials.